teaching you how to drink LaCroix. Ah! Whoa! Crazy. Here we go. All of the flavors. Bubbly. Target. Edward. Real Coke, maybe. I often get asked, oh my god, how can you drink LaCroix? LaCroix is pretty rough, right? LaCroix. Which I all agree with sometimes, but I've also trained myself to enjoy this beverage. If you want to enjoy the beverage, you gotta work out. We're going to the fridge. Come on! Whoa. I hope I can see me because I can't see me. I'm gonna close my eyes. We're gonna go to the bottom drawer. It's spookier. There's more selection. Close my eyes now. Close. Okay. If there's old food in here, please tell me. I think I know which flavors are here. I think these are Cokes. What's this one? Oh, raspberry. I've never tried the raspberry one. We'll do this one. How about it? Ooh, we might use this. Who knows? Who knows? Challenge is to make this taste better. Luckily enough, I feel like bubbly flavors are, they're a little bit better than most, sparkling waters. So, oh shoot. That's also because it's a Pepsi Cola product. I think the best flavored water comes from the can. Don't pour into a glass. It just like ruins the aroma, so. Ah! No!
If you don't like me, that's fine.
It's very true to taste.
Watch your mouth.
That's the problem. The problem is whenever I go to the dentist, I get raspberry flavored toothpaste, so they clean my mouth with raspberry flavored toothpaste. I said that flavor when I was 3. I haven't changed it since. Big brain tells me this is toothpaste, but it's not. We're going to make it not taste like toothpaste to me. It won't taste like toothpaste to you.
What I'm thinking for materials. I need a glass. Ice, 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 ice. Maybe orange mango juice. Tasty. Lemonade. Mango nectar. Yummy.
The rotting lime. I think I'm gonna try a raspberry lemonade kind of deal, because this is the only fresh fruit I have. Or fruit that would like work with raspberry. I was thinking of going with mango because we have a lot of mango stuff here. Mango orange juice, mango. But I think we're gonna do a raspberry lemonade. I've never done those what's it called? The sugar rim. So, game plan. Sugar rim with lemon zest. Crushed ice. Raspberry lemonade. Or that's the flavor. Raspberry and lemonade. Let's get into it. We're gonna start. Zester. Who put this on this hook? What the heck? Oh, got it. Oh my god. Okay. Made me a little dizzy. Okay. Note to self, don't put it up there. Testing. Cool. Oh, that smells. That is strong. We're gonna use honey, like, to get the sugar to stay. I'm just using the spoon like this and hoping. I think that worked pretty. Oh shoot! I think that worked pretty okay. Oh yeah, work its magic. Hoping. I want gravity for. This time, I want gravity to go inside of this cup. So I don't really want the honey. Oh shoot, I dropped some. I don't want the honey on the outside too much. I just want it outside of the glass. I want it inside if it does fall. And then you lick the spoon. Out a lot. We're just gonna dip it into our mixture. Oh, that sort of worked. Oh my god, I think it worked. That looks Okay. Ooh. I got like so much of this. That's the thing. So I think you just gotta sort of get it on there. I want to get the lemon. The lemon zest is the true thing we need here. It looks gorgeous. Cool. Yeah, see this. We'll show it in the light. Ooh. Ooh, oh no, it dripped on me. Gorgeous. Oh, I love it. It looks good. Okay. We don't want too much ice, so we'll just do it like that. Okay. Next. I just realized we have to act sort of fast. Not really. I don't know. I just thought it like started mess up. Okay, so we're gonna. Oh my god. We're going to add a little bit of the bubbly. Just a touch. See, look at that. Gorgeous. A little bit of the lemonade. A touch more of the bubbly. And I think we're going to go back in with the zester. And I got to clean this up. So, cut for a break. I got the lemon. Oh, what was it going to... Okay, long stem spoon. What my plan is we're gonna zest a little bit into it and then we'll stir it up so we get some of the zest in with the drink. And then we'll keep adding more whatchamacallit. But for now, let's get a little bit of zest in here. It could fall out. This is gonna be very lemony. Holy nuts. I don't really like lemon, to be honest. I mean, like, it's okay. I don't like lemon desserts. That's my thing. Okay. Okay. We'll save this for decoration on top. Okay, more bubbly. I think we need more bubbly in here because it's not really that bubbly anymore. Perfect. That actually looks so gorgeous. Okay. Shoot time. See those bubbles? Oh. The sugar rim. Oh. So cloudy. So pretty. That looks 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. God said cheers. That wasn't a good. We'll figure it out. Oh yeah, okay. It smells very good, like lemon time, summer. Here we go. Oh my god, I've never had a sugar rim. That wasn't fun. Okay, let's just drink it. I can successfully say this tastes better. Oh. Okay, I know I said I wasn't a I didn't like lemons.
I don't really like lemon.
This kind of tastes like candy. I think it's a sugar rim. But, ooh. That's fun. Like, this is like the kind of drink, it's like your best friend's party. No, that's not good. It's your best friend's bachelorette party and you're also pregnant, so this is what you drink. How am I to know that feeling? I thought I was going to overdo it with the lemon zest. I don't think you can overdo it with the lemon zest. Like, it's like, it is pretty solid. It sort of dissolves with the drink too, so it like loses its thing, but like when you smell it on top, I think it also helped that I put the lemon zest with the sugar. I think it was good. What did we learn today? Don't base a drink based on what flavored toothpaste you chose when you were 3 years old at the dentist was. What else can I say? Oh, if all else fails and you don't have a lemon or sugar or honey, just mix the drink together. I think it's pretty solid. I think the lemon does make it because it sort of masks the raspberry, but the raspberry's like, it's like the brightening point. I would do this again. Good thing it's a series. We're going to figure out something else to do. Oh, the honey is a little bit messy. It's like a fun treat on your hand for later.
Child. Anyway, so.
What else did we learn? Oh yeah, don't choose fruit flavored toothpaste. Duh. That's all I gotta say. Life is good. Keep living. Yeah, this is good. Cheers. Salud. What else do you say? That's the only thing I remember from Spanish. Or I guess most languages use salud. I don't like. Cheers is fun. We're just gonna say cheers. Cheers. You know how the Cheers show, an alcoholic runs a bar? Crazy stuff. It's a very good show. It's so heartwarming. You got the song, and you can sing, but it's very, I love irony. I love it. Oh, we didn't do a thumbnail.
Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, and they're always glad you came. You wanna be where you can see our troubles are all the same. You wanna be where.
Oh, we can do it in the same shot. Yeah, that's good. I mean, if we can do it in the same shot, let's do it. It's good. Take a sip. Sit down. Relax. I don't know where that's from. It's done. Bye. I never did this. Whoosh. Like that's how it ends. Whoosh.
Everybody knows your name.